Okay guys, so this is what my kneaded flour looks like. And I'm sorry you guys didn't see me looking after it. But as I said, only got one hand today. So I'm going to make my dumplings and my spinners. And I'm going to show you what the pot looks like right now. Get some light in here. So that's what the pot looks like right now. Can you see the color? Yeah. So it's boiling up nicely and ready for my dumplings and yam and other seasonings. So be back with you in a while. Okay, so these are what my soup dumplings look like. I don't make them any bigger than this. I sometimes like to make them smaller. And I'll show you what the spinners look like. So, and this is what we call spinners. Yeah. See that? Coming along very nicely. And this is my yams. I've peeled them and washed them. And I'm going to add them to my pot now. Okay guys, so I'm going to add my scallions. So just put them on a flat surface and just beat them a little to get out the flavor and stuff. I'll add that to my pot. Yep. And then I'll add my thyme. Oops. And my Scotch bonnet pepper. Now the next thing I'm going to add to this is my Grace cock soup, which is this. Yep. And that's my cock soup added. So I'm just going to stir this. And I'll taste it to see. Sorry guys, the quality is bad. Remember, I'm doing this all by myself and it's really hard to be holding the camera while you do this, so please forgive me. You see the dumplings and the yam. Usually I'd like to have corn in my soup, some sweet corn. So I would have already had the corns a long time, and dashins and cocos and stuff like that. But as I said, we're using what we have in our kitchen today, which are only yams and dumplings for food-wise. Yeah. The soup is mainly about drinking, so it doesn't really matter. But the flavor of the soup itself that you will be drinking will be very rich and nice and tasty because you have all the carrots and the pumpkins and the seasonings, scallion, your thyme, your Scotch bonnet pepper. And I just had a little butter to it, and the butter gives it a really nice flavor also. And I find out with a fact about chicken back is it gives the soup a really nice flavor, and it tastes so much better with the chicken back to me rather than the chicken breast. I'm a really chicken breast lover, but I really prefer to use the chicken back to boil my soup. If I'm feeling like for a lot of meat, like a fleshy meat, I'll add some chicken along with the chicken back, or I'll use chicken foot and the chicken, or beef, or soup meat, or soup bone, or stuff like that. But that's what the soup looks like right now. So I'm going to go ahead and add just a small piece of butter and taste it to see if it needs any more salt. Add a little black pepper to it if you want. The black pepper is optional, but I like my soup a little spicy, So along with the Scotch bonnet pepper, just a little black pepper, just a little, about a teaspoon or so of black pepper, and you're good to go. So I used one and about a quarter packs of cock soup because I really like to taste the cock soup in the soup, and it depends on the amount of soup you're cooking. As you can see, cooking a good amount, not really that much, but this will serve about 6 people or so, depending on the amount you're sharing. So yeah, the aroma is really nice right now, and as you can see, the color of the soup, it's really nice. That's coming from the pumpkin and the carrot, and also the cock soup that I just added will give it that color and so forth. So if you're interested in cooking Jamaican food, if you like Jamaican food, if you like my recipes that I've been giving to you, and the cooking on a whole, I'll have a link in the description below with a Jamaican cookbook. That's a really good cookbook, and you can check it out if you want. Really, really cheap, and it has a lot of recipes in it. It's really good. So yeah. So I'll pause this again since I only have one hand, as you know, today. So I'll pause this and I'll come back and show you guys what the finished dish looks like, and be back with you in a moment. It's your girl Celia. Oh, I wish you guys could smell the aroma coming from this kitchen, from this pot. I can smell the Scotch bonnet pepper. I guarantee you the soup is not going to be hot, but I can smell the aroma from the Scotch bonnet pepper mixing with the soup, and it smells awesome. It smells like Saturday day in Jamaica. By culture, Saturday always soup days in Jamaica. We have kind of drawn back a little from that tradition. Sundays will be rice and peas day, Wednesdays will be rice and peas day, and Saturdays would be soup day. And as for the yams, um, yellow yams are best for boiling soups because the softer yams, they tend to crush out. Yeah, they tend to boil out. Sorry, that's why I should say they tend to boil out. If you can notice the consistency of the soup, it's coming along nicely, a little thick. So if you want, say you're not ready to turn your soup off just yet, you can add a little more water to it and give it a good stir and cover it back, leave it for another 15 minutes, and your soup is ready. So I'll come back and let you guys have a good look at the finishing dish. So nice. Let you guys get a look at the chicken back here. That's the chicken back. Yeah. Here you go. Yeah. Really nice. Just my Scotch bonnet. Love, love, love it. Okay, guys, so be back with you, show you guys the finishing dish. I've got about 10 minutes left here or so. So, see you soon. Okay, guys, so this is my finished product. As you can see, just turned the stove off because it's still boiling. And yeah, this is my sip spoon. See that dip in it so you can pick up the soup and all that food and good stuff. A tip, after you added your cock soup and your seasonings, remember to stir your soup now and then so all the food doesn't stick to the bottom of your pot. You don't want that, right? So yeah, remember to stir it. So I'm gonna give you a look at what it looks like. You can see how thick it is. Yeah, it's not too thick. It's just as soup should be. So I'm gonna dip some up there. Yeah. And here's your chicken back. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think. Uh, I'll probably share some and let you guys see the finished dish in a soup bowl or something. So yeah, I'll do that. Okay guys, finally this is what the finished dish looks like. So I've shared it out, dished it out, whatever you want to call it. And this is my Jamaican chicken back soup. So let's recap a little. I have my dumplings and my spinners with um, plain flour, mixed with a little cornmeal and a pinch of salt. I kneaded the dough and made my dumplings and my spinners. Um, have my chicken back, which I cleaned and cut up in small sizes. And I have my pumpkin, carrots, Irish potatoes, my scotch bonnet pepper, my scallion, my thyme, and 2 cloves of garlic, um, my cock soup, and what am I leaving out? And my yams, yeah, and carrots, of course, yeah. And then I added a little tiny piece of butter and some salt after tasting it and seeing if it wants any more salt or not. And then I added about, you can add your water, judge it. So by the time you've reached at least half an hour in your cooking of the soup, you'll know if you want to add more water or not. If the soup is too thick, then you can add about 2 cups more water or so, and then you're finished. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Uh, this is a very economical dish. It's not expensive at all. The cock soup is cheap, and for the yams and all the other things that I use. The chicken back also is very cheap. It's the cheapest meat we have here in Jamaica. It's called the ghetto people meat. And it's very versatile. It can be used in many ways. To cook stew peas, curry, stew, soup, as you've seen, and so many other things. French fried chicken back, jerk chicken back, just so many ways that you can use chicken back. And people have overlooked this for a long time. So let me know if you guys are interested in other chicken back recipes and other soup recipes and stuff like that. I'll still be making other videos, and you can subscribe, like, comment if you wish. I'm not forcing you, and let me know what you guys think. As I said earlier, I'll be leaving a link in the description below where you can get a Jamaican cookbook if you're interested in Jamaican cooking and Caribbean cooking on the whole and so forth. So see you guys soon, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.